Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, January the 23rd. I want to start off and apologize for the past couple weeks. I've had quite a busy time. 2 weeks ago, I went on vacation. We went snowboarding in Colorado. Last week, I had classes starting, so I was kind of too focused on that. But we're back this week, ready to bring you another video. This week, we opened a lot of boxes, so I hope you all stick around to watch that. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this channel. Once again, I apologize for the past couple of weeks. I've had quite a busy time. Everything that you see in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. In the next coming videos, I'll have a couple extra things because I know we've been hinting a couple things on our blogs and Facebook and stuff, and I will make sure to have that in the next few videos. But yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.